Hey guys, Default Blader here, back at it again with another video. Sorry if the audio sounds a bit loud or something. I'm gonna be playing Asphalt 8 because I wanted to test how good this is for the audio, so yeah, I'm just gonna do it. Let's go. It's loading right now, but it's just diarrhea. Wait for it to load. I'm gonna turn on the music just in case it's too loud. Probably won't be, it shouldn't be. I hope. I would have played Minecraft on my PC if my PC didn't suck at being a computer, because it can't run Minecraft, even on the lowest of settings. And I can't buy Minecraft. Nobody is gonna let me. Why is this taking so long to load? No, it never takes this long to load. The recording is gonna end at exactly 10 minutes. Just gonna warn you there, because my recorder only goes to 10 minutes. Why is this? What the? Okay, there we go. Got it. I'm gonna turn up the volume a little bit. It's quiet. Let's see here. Actually, I think we'll keep it at what it is. Let's play. Let's claim that specialist box. Epic. Let me open that. Ah, it's lagging. Oh god. Alright. But it's fine, it's fine. It won't lag too much. Oh god. I don't have that many tokens. I only have 626. I can barely hear myself. I don't know if I'm talking loud. But I sure know that I can hear the game. Let's see here. Let's play Class S because those are fun. Let's see. This is new, Class A, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Oh god, my rank is way too low. I don't think I have enough money. I do. I wanted to save up for a better car in a different class, Class S. I wanted to save up for whatever. Actually, no, I can't do this. I can't do this. I'm gonna die. Let's just do a Class S. I'm just gonna test it, so I'll do. Let's see. This one. I haven't done this. I have a Lamborghini Veneno. That's the only Class S car I have. Let's see the upgrades. Oh, these are expensive. These are really expensive. Oh god. Let's just continue. Starting the race. These new headphones paddings are super comfortable. I love this so much. These headphones that I'm using to record. This probably sounds really weird to you because I'm hitting my microphone, but hopefully it's still recording. Might stop soon. I hope it's not during this race. Get noob. Epic gamer. Oh god, oh no. Oh god, don't pass me, don't pass me. Come on, why is my car suck? Oh god, I'm gonna crash. I'm gonna jinx myself. Yep, exactly what I thought. This is extremely loud for me. I don't know if it's loud for you guys, but it's really loud for me. Oh god, oh god, oh god. You threw a car at me, come on. That's unfair. Just freaking threw a truck at me. What am I supposed to do? Live? Ah, that's hot. Epic gamer. It's what's called an epic gamer move. Now I can finally die. Man, I've wanted to record with my microphone or something like this for a long time, so I'm glad I got to do this. This is just a test. I'm still gonna do my normal art videos, but just for now, I'm gonna do this. If I manage to get a better PC, then in like a couple of years or something, I'll be able to play Minecraft and not crash. Oh, okay, this is 2 laps. These races only last about 2 minutes, so it shouldn't be too long. I hope this isn't extremely ear-piercing for you guys, my talking or the audio. I'm not sure. I can only check after I stop recording. I'll stop recording after this race. I can compile multiple videos, so it'll be a long video if I do that. But yeah, that's I just wanted to test this, and it's working pretty good for now. This isn't recorded gameplay, I'm still playing. Like, look, I'm gonna freaking... And nobody's this bad at this. Wait, am I first? Oh, I'm actually first, I didn't realize. I wasn't even paying attention of me being first. I guess I'm first. Come on. I can pull this off. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, it's this sharp turn. Oh crap. Ah! No! That turn sucks. It's so hard to pull off. No! This sucks. You gotta be kidding me. I want to have Discord now. I really want to have Discord now. That would be awesome. But anyways, that's gonna end the recording. That lasted a long time. 2 minutes out of my recording. So, yeah. But anyways, I hope this wasn't extremely ear-piercing for you guys, or if your ears started to bleed because of how loud it was. But it's not my fault, alright? I haven't recorded this, but I'm just gonna end the recording there. So, see you guys in the next video, and I'm gonna do another video. I drew some more drawings, and I'm gonna show them, but it's just not today. So, peace, I guess. Make sure to like and subscribe. Help out Beastly or the Savage Goose. If you search Beastly, you can't find it, but help him out. He found a bird in his front yard, and you know, being lame. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye.